boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. Dean Lewis here. Not the first time on this channel, but anyway, great artist deserves more attention. So, this song is called Trust Me Mate. Great song. It's a cheer up song here, needed in this world. So let's take a look at this song. We're going clean here, so no need for any capo, only 4 different chord guides. So that is great. Let's take a look at the chords. And we have the A minor, F, C, and G with a little twist there. So let's take a look at the A minor first. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and a little twist there will be the 3rd E string there in the end. That 3rd E string will be with us through the entire song, okay? So the next song here will, the chord will be the F. So that is 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and now the 3rd E, of course. Moving here to the C, so that will be the sound, 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and guess what? The 3rd E. And when I play the G now for this song, we can go with this grip. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, then open D, open G, 1st B, and yes, 3rd E. Alright, so there you have the different chords, and we'll learn to play the picking pattern, but also to play a strumming pattern that works for your song. So let's first take a look at the picking. That is how the song starts, and that is pretty much the basics of the song. You can go with the picking through the entire song if you wish, but we'll look at the strumming later to mix it up a little bit. So let's take a look at the A minor. So you have this grip basically when I go with the A minor picking. So it sounds like this. Alright, so we will have now pretty much the same patterns, just different bass notes because of the different chords. So A minor will be the bass notes on the 2nd G string. To begin with, that sounds better, but as we go on here in this song, round 2 and 3 here of the chorus and verse, it sounds better to have the open A string as a bass. This one. But it's up to you. You can switch it up a little bit, use the 2nd G if you wish sometimes, and then go with the open A sometimes. But that is the bass note, and it follows like this. So that is 1st B and 3rd E. Then you repeat that again, bass note, 1st B and 3rd E. And then you play bass note and 1st B. Okay, so that is bass, 1st B, 3rd E, bass, 1st B, 3rd E, bass, 1st B. One round with tempo goes. Alright, then we go to the F chord. Now you're gonna keep the 1st B and 3rd E through the entire song when you play the picking, but also, I mean, the chords, of course. But yeah, the picking as well, you keep these two glued there on the 1st B and 3rd E. You just switch the bass notes. Now the new bass note for F is on the 3rd fret D string. So bass, 1st B, and 3rd E. The bass now is 3rd D, like I said. So 3rd D, 1st B, 3rd E. 3rd D, 1st B, 3rd E again, and you end with 3rd D and 1st B. With tempo. We move on to C now, and it's the same pattern there, just a different bass note. Now the bass note is on the 3rd A. Like that, alright? So, same pattern. Bass note, 1st B, 3rd E. Bass note, 1st B, 3rd E, and bass note, 1st B. With tempo. And we have the final chord, the G. Guess what? Same pattern. The new bass note now will be on the 3rd E string. That one, alright? So with that is bass note, first B, third E. Bass note, first B, third E, and bass note, first B. With tempo. So there you have the picking patterns there, and that is actually how this song starts. The verse play is one round of the following chords: A minor, F, C, and G. Okay, so one picking round per chord. So it goes one round like this. Okay, so the verse, the first one, is about 2 chord progression rounds. Then let's move on to the pre-chorus, the first pre-chorus. And here you're gonna play the same picking pattern, but just different chords. You're gonna play F, 1 round, A minor, 1 round. And here I suggest you play the A minor bass note on the open A string. All right, because now we have some basses going on in the song. So F1, A minor 1, and G2. So 1 round goes like this. Oh, sorry. F first, of course. Yeah. I looked at the verse and I played that one, so that's why. But anyway, F1, A minor 1, and G2. You're gonna play this for 2 rounds here in the first pre-chorus. And the second round here, when you play the last chord, the G, you're gonna play 1 picking round plus 1 down on the bass only, and then a pause. That pause builds up for the chorus. So the second round will be F1, A minor 1, and G1 plus 1 down on the bass, and the pause, it goes like this. Right, so there you have the pre-chorus, and now take a look at the chorus, and you don't have to look that much. It's the same play as the verse play, so nothing changes there. You have the A minor 1, F1, C1, and G1, and you're gonna play that for 2 chord progression rounds. In the end there, you're gonna play, after you play 2 chord progression rounds there, you're just gonna add 1 extra down on the F. So the F bass note there, like it starts on the 3rd round, just an extra down on F and the pause there, and then it comes further on to the 2nd verse and so on. All right, so that's the chorus. Moving on to the 2nd round now. From the 2nd round, you can continue with the picking, but you can also play a strumming pattern. And this is where the full chords comes in. So if you choose to go with patterns and the strumming here with chords, then 1 strumming round will sound like this. All right, so grab the A minor, and you're gonna play down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up. So down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up. Again. Down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up. That works very good for the song. So you can play the picking or the strumming. If you go with strumming, then of course still 1 string around per chord. With the chord progression A minor, F, C, and G, it sounds like this. Alright, you're gonna play just 1 chord progression around for the 2nd verse. And you're gonna play the same there on the 2nd pre-chorus, just 1 round of that one. So F1, A minor 1, and G2. And then we are at the 2nd chorus there. You're gonna play in the same way as the first one, so 2 rounds picking or strumming, it's your choice. After the 2nd chorus comes the bridge part, and now we're about 1 minute and 57 seconds into the song. This bridge part is just about 1 down of the following chords: F, C, G, and A minor. And on the second round, you're going to play this for almost 2 rounds. You're just going to play F, C, and G. So you skip the last A minor. Why? Because we have a long pause there, and that builds it up for the next part. So the bridge part was F, C, G, A minor, F, C, G, and the long pause there, 1 down per chord. And the next and final part, like I said, and that is the third and final chorus. You're gonna play in the same way there, this time for 4 rounds. That is how this song from Dean Lewis, Trust Me Mate, ends. So 4 rounds of the chorus. So nice song, guys. 4 different chords, and we have the picking or strumming possibilities here. Pretty easy one. So good luck with this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please show me some love here. Subscribe to this channel. That's the best way. Like this tutorial if you did, and see you soon. Till then, play tuned.